Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to slow down YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. First thing first, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Then simply navigate to the YouTube short you want to watch. Then make sure to like it. After you like the YouTube shorts you want to slow down, simply go to your profile icon available in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the liked videos. Then in liked videos, choose the YouTube short you just liked. So after you choose the YouTube short, simply tap on the three dot or settings icon available in the top right corner. Then tap on the playback speed. Then choose a slower speed, example 0.5x or 0.25x, and it will slow down your playback speed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.